Hello everybody and welcome to Reese's YouTube page. We apologize, we haven't made a video in about a month and I have so much to talk about, and so does Reece. So welcome back to our page. If you're new to our page, I created this page years ago and then I transformed it into good and like everything in between. And this page I made, it's to inspire, like, change society's views of people with disabilities, basically. And to teach people and help them realize that they're just like you and me, okay? So if you're new to this page, like, subscribe, share. Reece is 13. He will be 14 next month in July. He has cerebral palsy in both legs. He's visually impaired and has a seizure disorder. Yes, he understands everything I say and everything anyone else says. But we haven't been on in a month, and that's because we both have busy, hectic lifestyles, and he's gonna grab toys that are totally gonna overpower my voice. And we're gonna turn them off, and we're gonna still have a snack, because we have so much to talk about. So yes, today is Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. He's reaching for toys. Ah! And the toys are not quiet. They're all loud, and I thought I moved them away. All right, so I'm gonna have to speak up. Let me go to my notes that I made today on the bike at the gym. Okay, no. Today, oh my God, I hate your toys, kid. I love you, but I hate your toys. Okay, so happy Mother's Day, belated Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Reece, we have to do an update because people are wondering why we're not making videos. Okay, well here. I just don't like speak. You want that one? Okay. For Mother's Day, I bought myself a little gift, and basically I was really excited to bring home this gift for Reece, and I'd like to introduce you all to our 4 new pets. Yep, 4. I bought 4 Budgies, and I named them Snowflake, Tweety Bird, Smurf, and Lemon Lime. So I'm going to take the video camera over to the birds right now, because if I brought one over and over, it just wouldn't work out. So bear with me as we go check out our 4 new family friends. All right, we'll be right back. I don't know if you guys can see what I see here. All right, so we have Lemon Lime, Smurf, Tweety, and Snowflake. And they're on their little activity scene or activity set right now. They have a big cage, and the cage is over here. And it's souped up with toys galore, you name it. Ladders, bells, and whistles, and I spoiled these birds rotten. So yeah, that was 4 weeks ago. We decided, well, sorry, I decided to add some love into our home. I'm gonna set this back up. Boop. There we go, Reece. Oh, I'm not good at this, obviously. All right, what are you chewing on, love? Woo! So that was, whoops. Come here, love. So that was one of the things I wanted to talk about. Our new family friends. I love them, I really do. And I need to make more YouTube videos, or Listen. He's always happy until I talk because he thinks I'm diverting my attention to other people. Anyway, that's one of the things I wanted to show everybody. Now, the next thing I wanted to talk about is this is the last month of school, so it's quite chaotic. Reese's school went back full time 2 weeks ago, so after being homeschooled for 2 months, it literally took us 2 weeks to get back into the routine and swing of things. And like I always say, children with disabilities and special needs, they thrive on consistency, sleep patterns, consistency, structure, as do I. So that is crazy. My phone is on silent, but it's going crazy. It's like I never get a chance. And I apologize for not making videos earlier with Reece. It's just chaotic. When he has appointments, I have my clients, and our schedules are very busy. But I really love this page, and I wish I had the time and the energy to do a video with Reece every single week. That would be awesome. But a lot of things depend on his moods, if he's going to have a meltdown, if he's in the mood, or, you know, every day is different. So today he went to school and daycare, and he's finishing up supper, which is a good time to do a video because he's kind of calm and content. So that's the other thing is June. Another exciting thing we just started. I'm so happy about this, and so is Reece. His favorite thing to do is swim, and well, it used to be. I took him swimming since he was like 4 or 5 months old, and I'm a water baby. I can swim. I was a swimmer my whole life, and it is so good and so crucial for people and children and anyone with cerebral palsy, because his muscles in his legs are spastic and tight, and water therapy is so healing and therapeutic for them. Yes. So every second Saturday morning, Reece and I are back at the pool doing his special swim because it reopened. It shut down with COVID. We used to do it every second Saturday. And then when COVID hit, I think it was February, March 2020, things got closed down, and he hasn't gone swimming since. So, yeah. So it's like a big adjustment for you. And the last 2 times we went, he has been very anxious, scared, and his anxiety has been heightened, extremely heightened, and he has a death grip on me. But when we go, he's in his life jacket, he's got his death grip on me, and we go for 2 full hours, and I'm hoping the next session he relaxes a lot more. I do a lot of singing, we do a lot of floating, a lot of everything in the pool. And like, they don't go with school anymore once COVID hit. So this is a blessing. We're excited about swimming, and it might take like a month or 2 for him to get used to it again, but yeah, that's a big deal, and I'm really happy about it. So I think he will be too once he gets used to it. Upcoming in July. Oh, that's really loud. That's gonna be a loud toy. Here we go. Do you want me to turn it on? Because this is gonna make me holler. Meaning shout louder. Okay, let's talk about July. Reece will be 14 at the end of July, and every year I'm trying to do a birthday video for him. So that's a big deal. I really have a hard time saying he will be 14 in July. Like, 14? What? Like, I still remember. Anyways, long story. I'm old. He just farted, like, really bad, and he's really happy about it. See? This is what mommy has to put up with. Ew, stinky. Reece. Oh. My goodness gracious. That is stinky poo. Ugh. And he is a typical teenage boy. Like, oh, burping, farting, loud. You picked the perfect time to do all this. What else? Oh yes, in July, my anxiety level is a little high because he has his 4th and final surgery in July. So for those of you who have followed us throughout the years, Reece has hardware in his hips. And I wish I knew how to edit and then attach a video. I have a photo of his x-rays, and in his hips there's like metal bolts and long rods for his CP. And basically, they should have only stayed in him for 3 to 6 months. Well, they have been in him for 3.5 years now. And we are gonna get them removed. So if you have the time and you wanted to go back a long time back in my videos and see pictures or videos of Reece crawling or going upstairs on his knees, we're hoping his mobility will be back to that after 3 years of not being able to do much. It is a big deal. I'm very nervous and anxious, and I don't think we'll be spending the full week in the hospital. We'll just 1 night, maybe 2 nights. I don't know. I don't know what to expect, and I don't know the date in July, but I know it's this July. And he's a trooper. He's a trooper. Our last and final surgery. I have to be honest, he's laughing because we also got to some blood work done. Oh, I'm gonna fall over. So I got him hollering, I got the toys playing, and I got the birds in the background. I'd like to talk about all the blood work we've had done and what has happened because of his increase in weight and height. Reece is 5 feet tall, he's 143 pounds, and I still keep him on a really good strict diet because I don't want a obese child. Because if he doesn't run around at recess and he is not mobile and active. Okay, stop. You're acting silly now. Okay, have some snack. Here, have your bubba. Oh, you guys, if you only knew, the reason he's giggling like this, the birds are going all crazy over there, and he has like seriously stinking up the room, and he's happy about that. Of course, I'm not gonna stop the video. I mean, like, whatever. Anyway, we had all his blood work done. Really? Reece, really? No. His lipid panel, his, oh my God, hyperthyroid, hypothyroid, renal prolactin. Anyway, he's still, because of the meds that he's on, he's pre-diabetic. It scares the heck out of me, and it has nothing to do with his diet because he drinks water or skim milk, hardly any carbs, and it's fruit and vegetables. And I'm very strict with his meals, especially packing them for school and then evenings. It's the medication, his risperidone, that's causing the weight gain. That makes his insulin levels spiked, and it's so scary. Like, it's so scary. I don't want a diabetic child. I don't want an overweight child. But this one risperidone medication is honestly the only medication that works best for Reece. Reece, can we even see you? We've tried over the years. Oh, what have we tried? Prozac, oh, I forget it. It starts with the letter A. Anyway, everything we've tried gave him the adverse reactions. Instead of calming him down, it would get him so mad, so angry, where I had to call 911 and people had to sedate him and take him away. So we're sticking with risperidone, even though the side effect is the weight gain and the swelling, which sucks. But health is number one for me and him, and that's pretty much our June update. And like the next big video I'll try to do is his birthday video, or I'll try to do a video in the hospital. I like to wait and be in mom mode, not video mode, but in mom mode in the hospital with Reece. I could care less about the phone or the camera or anything because I have to be his number one. So, now the last and final thing I want to talk about is my, sit up, is the last video I posted here on YouTube where I said I was fed up. I am going to talk about that. So over the past 14 and 15 months, I experienced extreme caregiver burnout. I'm not going to get into details. I've been vocal about it. It is what it is. Now, I told certain people about it in my team. And in my last video, I was shocked and appalled and upset and hurt because when I went to the certain people about it who are supposed to look into resources for me, one of those people betrayed me and phoned Child Protection Services. So when I was on the phone with Child Protection Services, I asked them, what did the caller say, even though they can't disclose who it was? And they said, well, the caller said you were experiencing caregiver burnout and that your back was sore from changing diapers constantly. And I said, yeah, yeah, that's correct. And then I lost it. I said, no, I don't do drugs, I don't drink, I don't party, our living environment's amazing. Come on over, come visit us. They thought about it. They gave me a call the morning of, and they said, you know what? We don't see a reason to stop by. We don't see a reason to come by and evaluate the situation. And I'm like, yeah, there's kids out there who have druggy parents, who are abandoned, left alone, alcoholic parents. But I get it. I get someone to call on me because I have caregiver burnout. Anyway, nothing came of it, and I just wanted to clarify that. But in these last 4 weeks, I tell you, it's been crazy, chaotic, busy, just go, go, go. Routine is so good for both of us. Like, when he's in school, I can take clients, or I can go to the gym. I can have some alone time. I still take clients in the evenings. The weekends are still quite hard. We're still working on finding respite, and it's come to fruition where we're going to have a certain company where I live to accommodate us for respite, and that will give us 16 full hours 1 month to use. So I'm thinking Sundays, like 5 hours or 4 hours every Sunday, or 2 Sundays for 7 full hours. You know what I mean? Like, that will help me a lot. And it's not cheap. It is $35 an hour, but with Reece's assessment, he is a big kid and he requires lifts and transfers for his bath and to get into this chair. So they have to, 2 people have to do respite, not 1, so 2. So it's $68 an hour, and I'm grateful. It may only be 16 hours a month, but you don't understand. To me, that's amazing. Like, it's gold. I went from being able to travel to once a month travel, every like once a month I could travel on a long weekend to go out of the country, to COVID, to no break, to his amazing respite home that is not offering respite anymore, to nothing, to having 16 hours a month. I'll take whatever I can get. So I'm very thankful and grateful for that. But yeah, $68 an hour for 2 people. It's a lot. But I'm still grateful, like very grateful and blessed, and it makes me a better mother, even though it's like my free time, knowing he's in good hands, good care, someone can medicate him, change diapers, feed him, give him a bath, and you know, I'm gonna work on the trust issues. But yeah, this is June so far. It's only June 8th. It's raining outside. I had to shut all the stuff up because there's going to be a thunder and lightning storm. So I guess we'll be back in July. Maybe we'll do another update on your swimming. Who knows? Maybe I'll do a short video. We just have to find time to do all these and put them together. So thanks again for watching. And we appreciate, you know, the support, the kind comments, and there's so much more we can talk about in the future, and this is just the beginning, even though I've had this page probably for 7 years, 8 years, I don't know. But if you have anything that you'd like us to discuss about disabilities or any types of medication that he may be on, I can address those. But other than that, we're okay. We're doing good. We're hanging in there. And I hope everyone out there is doing amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Say bye, Reese. Look at this. Look at his hand. It's a mitt. It's a mitt. This is a glove. What? It's a glove. Oh my gosh, you stink. Pooh! Like a teenage boy. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.